apart. Take one piece at a time. That might work. Oh, there we go. Clean this up. I'll try to pull that stuff out, get that last tree, and then I'll... Alright, here's the new look here. When I piled all this brush, I never imagined this could be water all the way up here. Alright, now I'm all the way in the bottom, underwater here. Alright, another load of clay here. They're talking about possible rain tomorrow. Even if I get that another foot, it might be good enough. And I really want to get this stuff pulled out of here, so I'll be back out in the morning. Alright, so now I'm back on the opposite side of the pond dam. This was where the patch was, all this loose dirt right here. So let's carry on. Alright, now I'm all the way in the bottom, underwater here, but I'm trying to get as much of this silt out as I can. When I piled all this brush, I never imagined this could be water all the way up here. Alright, here's where I'm calling it today. I got all the silt out that I wanted to. You see that little kind of island right there? Well, that was all silt. I piled it up and I found something new. I learned something new. So that's where all the deer are coming and drinking, as opposed to on the left or the right side of it, because it's elevated a few feet and I think they could see farther. So I'm going to leave that. As a matter of fact, I'll pile more on that. And then as this pond fills, it's going to be its own little peak. So that's pretty cool. But anyways, that's where I'm calling it for now. I don't know if I'm at the height of the spillway yet, but this dirt can dry out and I'll probably be back after it tomorrow. Beautiful, beautiful pond. Well, it will be when I'm done.